Randy Rocky over at Swan Financial. Andrew just got turned down for a mortgage to buy a home.
Mhm.
And in this email, Randy, he is asking us to go over one of the most common mistakes a buyer can make when applying for a loan that would get them turned down. So I've got a couple of things here. I'll name the topic. You give me a one line as to why that's important. Okay.
Well, let me give you the first common mistake
Okay.
is not using Swan Financial. And let me
There
tell
you
you why.
go. Okay.
No, and I sincerely mean this,
All
over
right.
a bank or a captive lender, because we have 50 different companies and underwriters that want our business that have different programs, and we can qualify a lot more people than a person that only has one set of products. But go ahead.
Go ahead. All right. So here we go. Do not deposit large sums of cash. Why?
If you deposit large sums of cash, you have to source it. But if it's past 60 days before you close, then you're fine.
Okay.
You can make that work. And we ask people usually to put that in a savings account, so we don't even have to look what else they're transacting on checking. So, but if it's inside 60 days, that is a problem because you have to source where you got that money from.
Do not make any large purchases.
Because of debt to income, you don't want to make a large purchase and finance it because now your debt compared to your income changes.
Don't co-sign loans for anyone.
Same thing, debt to income, because now if that person you co-sign for does not fulfill the obligation, they're coming after you. So it's part of your debt to income ratio.
Do not switch bank accounts.
Yeah. I mean, we can work through that. Because you just take the statement from the last account to the new one, but it's just easier for underwriting to see it. But that's not a necessity.
Do not apply for new credit cards or credit.
Yes. Do not apply because, again, you have a debt to income ratio. We have to do a letter of explanation, even if you decide not to do it. So the staying out of getting any new credit is a must, or it's not a must, but it's a great idea to do.
All right, final one. Do not close any accounts. That would be kind of unusual.
Right.
Why is that?
The reason is then if you close the accounts, it could change your credit score, and it's something that you just don't want to do. Just kind of do everything status quo. If we have you approved, keep everything kind of going the same way, and then once you close, then you can start moving things if you need to.
Got it. All right. Now, if there are any changes, of course, discuss with your lender to make sure they know and get them to approve it first. I think that's important too.
That's correct.
All right. Very good. If you want to see what people are saying about us in terms of reviews of our Sokoler team, you can head to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com. We made it easy for you to check our reviews out.